And of course, when anybody thinks of all these things, what they're really doing is scanning them around.
Shows up here.
Yeah.
That's good. Straight. That was your mistake. You turned it all the way to the left, okay? So now you continue, and I think you know what to do now from here. Don't worry about the signal anymore. A little too far back. Because if you notice now, you're going to bump into the curb, right? Let's move forward. Just keep your wheels straight. I'll show you exactly where to stop here. Keep
when
going.
the bumper is...
Yeah.
Okay.
You got it. Now you'll be able to...
Then we turn all the way.
Yeah, you just put it back into reverse. And keep the car in motion while you're doing this. Just crank it really quickly all the way to the left. Yeah, you got it all the way.
There we go.
Until you're parallel with the curb here. You might be touching the curb a bit.
Yeah.
That's okay. You keep on. Yeah, it's good. Okay. Let's take off. We're going to do another one of those.
Okay.
One after the other, very quickly.
Turn your wheels first, all the way to the left first, before you leave.
So it feels as if you're thinking of them all at once.
We'll go around the block. We'll make a right turn at the next street up there.
In the world of computers, that's called time sharing. Sharing your available resources between the different tasks you're attempting to perform all at once.
And a right turn coming up.
Okay.
That's why some powerful computers can perform tasks much quicker than slower computers.
We'll use that car again there for parallel.
It's why some people can think of only 5 things, because it's a limit of their memory, as with the limit of a computer's memory or processing power, while others can think of 9 things. And I wonder how well your memory's working as you struggle to remember those 9 things.
First we turn up.
The weight of your head, your breathing, the music in the background, how you look from outside. I wonder how many others you can remember. Did you remember the temperature of the room? The weight of your feet? The weight of your arms? The sound of my voice? How your eyes feel? And they can think of how good it will feel when you simply allow yourself to think of only the most important thing of all.